Viewers and subscribers, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Uno no know what? They hack my computer. Yeah, man. You know, me laugh about everything, you know. Me have fun about everything. Yeah, man. Them hack the computer. And when them hack the computer, them go in at the YouTube channel and them try to take down 10 off the YouTube video towards Boo. Couldn't take it down because of my computer setup. However, what they did was they stopped me from, I cannot upload any video at all. So I work with YouTube. YouTube could not fix it yesterday. So right now, my friend, who is a geek, yeah, on YouTube is working to fix it. A lot of you go say, oh, Allah Mattel, here is the message. Yeah, man. Me not have time to tell life, nothing at all. So, hold tight, guys. Have information a come. Many information about everybody. So, them a come. So, me I go wait and see if everything go finish by today. See if me go get can upload, because that's the only thing I cannot do on the computer is upload. I cannot upload anything to YouTube. So stay tuned. Now what's no face? Stay blessed. Them can't stop me from talk. I soon come.